Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Think with Somo. Today I want to talk about something that is changing the world very fast, and that is artificial intelligence or AI. You might have heard people saying that AI will take jobs, AI will replace humans, and the future will be controlled by machines. But today I want to tell you something different. AI is not something to fear, AI is something you should learn. Because the people who understand AI today will lead the world tomorrow. Look around you. Technology has changed everything in the last 20 years. Before smartphones, people used simple phones just for calling. Before the internet, information was difficult to find. Before social media, people could not share ideas instantly. Every time technology changed, the people who adapted became successful. And today, the biggest change happening in the world is artificial intelligence. AI can now write content, generate images, help in coding, analyze data, and even assist doctors and engineers. Companies around the world are already using AI to work faster and smarter. So, the real question is not will AI replace us? The real question is are we ready to learn it? Why students must learn AI? If you are a student today, learning AI tools can give you a huge advantage. You don't need to become a scientist or an expert programmer. Just understanding how AI works and how to use AI tools can help you in many ways. You can use AI for studying, research, writing projects, learning new skills, and even building online businesses. For example, many students today use AI tools to create content, design graphics, writing code, and automate tasks. This means one person can do the work of many people. That is the power of technology. And if you start learning now, even slowly, you will be ahead of many people who ignore it. The real danger many people think AI is dangerous, but the truth is, the real danger is staying the same while the world is changing. Technology will keep growing whether we learn it or not. The only question is, will we grow with it? History shows us something very interesting. When computers first came, many people were afraid of them. But today, computer skills are basic skills that almost every job requires. The same thing will happen with AI. In the future, knowing how to use AI will be as normal as knowing how to use a smartphone. So, the best time to start learning is today. Even if you spend just 10 or 15 minutes every day exploring new tools and technologies, you will slowly build a powerful skill set. So remember this simple idea, don't fear technology, understand it, don't avoid the technology. This is Thing with Somo. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.